Small learners, big data, ethical and policy challenges of AI in early childhood education in global and US contexts. This important article is authored by the following scientists. As artificial intelligence, AI, becomes increasingly embedded in educational systems, its integration into early childhood education, ECE, presents both transformative opportunities and complex challenges. This literature review critically examines global and US policy frameworks governing AI implementation in ECE, with a focus on ethical, legal, pedagogical, and equity-related dimensions. Drawing on theoretical foundations from developmental psychology, sociology of childhood, and educational technology, the paper synthesizes empirical findings and policy analysis across diverse national contexts, including the European Union, China, Singapore, Australia, and the United States. The review identifies global best practices that emphasize ethical AI design, inclusive pedagogy, and robust educator training, contrasting these with the fragmented and innovation-driven US landscape. Key challenges, ranging from data privacy and algorithmic bias to infrastructure gaps and professional readiness, underscore the need for developmentally informed, child-centered AI governance. The paper concludes by outlining critical research gaps, including the need for longitudinal studies, equity-driven implementation strategies, and pedagogical integration frameworks. By advancing a multidimensional policy perspective, this review offers actionable insights for educators, policymakers, and technologists working to ensure that AI enhances rather than undermines the promise of equitable and developmentally appropriate early learning. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, initially focused on tasks like chess playing, has grown to play a significant role in various fields, including education. In early childhood education, ECE, AI tools such as personalized learning systems, speech recognition, and interactive storytelling are transforming how young children learn. These technologies allow for customized instruction, track individual progress, and enhance engagement by catering to different learning needs. However, the introduction of AI in early education raises important concerns, particularly about children's privacy, fairness, and the potential loss of personal human interaction in teaching. As AI becomes more prevalent, it's crucial to develop policies that ensure its responsible use. These policies should address issues such as data protection, bias in algorithms, and equitable access to these technologies, while also ensuring that AI enhances, rather than replaces, human-centered teaching. The review explores how AI is being applied in ECE globally, evaluates current policies, and examines the broader social impacts of these technologies. It also aims to identify gaps in policy, share global best practices, and suggest strategies to promote a balanced and ethical approach to AI in early education. Conclusion. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in early childhood education, ECE, offers exciting opportunities to enhance learning through personalized tools, real-time feedback, and early interventions. These technologies can support diverse learning needs and promote language development. However, their successful and ethical use requires careful planning and thoughtful policies. Countries like Finland, Singapore, and China have developed strong AI strategies focused on privacy, teacher training, and reducing educational gaps, offering valuable lessons. In contrast, the US faces challenges due to a lack of unified policies, which can lead to unequal access and insufficient oversight. To ensure AI is used responsibly, key actions include protecting children's rights, providing proper educator training, ensuring equal access to technology, and maintaining a focus on play-based, child-centered learning. Collaboration across countries and sectors is vital to creating AI solutions that are ethical, inclusive, and effective in early education. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.